everybody, it's EK from EK Gorman Designs, and I am sneaking in today with a very special unboxing. I have got my hands on the new White Rose Crafts Junk Journal and Craft Kit. It is a cultivated, limited edition kit, truly to help you start your own first or experienced junk journal. Everything's been picked to coordinate with each other, and I'm showing all the beautiful things inside. The first thing I'm showing is the Peon Designs Grandma's Attic. It's a cut-apart toppers, and it's really actually simple and easy to cut apart. Then you've got a sheet of the Aspire Petalics copper ore cardstock, and a whole collection of different types of specialty papers. If you've never used some of these, it's actually going to be a wonderful chance to experience these different type papers. First is the Simply Creative Decoupage Industrial paper. This is like using napkins. It's tissue paper. You can glue it down, and all those cool gluing techniques you use with napkins you can do with these tissue papers. These are self-adhesive labels, and it took me a minute to figure out that they were in fact stickers, but they're self-adhesive labels. And then you've got 5 sheets of mulberry paper in green, red, black, eggplant, and copper, and a sheet of cream lace mulberry paper. If you haven't used the mulberry paper, it's really fun. The texture in it's incredible. You get a piece of Stamperia Clocks and Gears rice paper. This is a little bit like mulberry paper, but still different. You also are going to get a collection of Scrapberry bronze colored charms. And let me zoom in on real quick. These are really, really cool. They're kind of a little bit of everything, and the color in them is perfect for the junk journal kit. Also, you're going to get some Kaiser Craft laser cut Mademoiselle antique charms. These can be colored. I love these laser cut wood charms. They are a perfect addition to any of your projects. You're also going to get a collection of Centaur's gorgeous tweed ribbons. These look like it doesn't color-wise go, but once you start playing with the ribbons and the paper, it's really a cool effect. You're also going to get 10 ribbon buckle slides that you can color, believe it or not, with alcohol ink. You're going to get a Tucinco sponge dauber, you know what these are, and it's perfect to go with the Distress Oxide Reinker and Bundled Sage. You're also getting 2 stamps in this kit. You're going to get the Paper Parachute Filament Heart and the Prima Finnabar Sponge Stamp. These are both really cool background stamps to go into that junk journal, especially the sponge one. You can develop a lot of texture with it. You're also going to get a selection of assorted vellum stickers. These are all from Japan, and there's a plastic backing, and you peel it off, and they're like paper washi tape stickers. They're really, really cool, and it's a collection of 3 different types, including botanicals, vintage, gothic, and tickets and labels. So each kit is going to have a different assortment, but you're going to get about 20 of these stickers. You're also going to get Scrapberry's Mechanical Illusions paper pad. These are single-sided sheets of cardstock, printed cardstock, that have been picked to go with everything in the kit. And there's 12 sheets in this. I believe I'm correct. I believe I missed one when I started it. Yeah, there's 12 sheets, and the 12th one is right, oh, there. And I love I love the distress look that this paper gives, allowing your junk journal to have kind of that crazy junk journal feel. Anyway, this is a limited edition kit, so make sure you pop over to White Rose Crafts and pick yours up before they are sold out. Once they are sold out, it is gone. Let me know in the comments below which of these products you're most interested in seeing being used. And also let me know if you junk journal yourself, or how you would use this kit if you don't junk journal. Until then, happy crafting, everybody.